the video. Today we are going to be having a lot of fun. So here we go. We're going to be building something using Lego. So not in Lego, using. We're going to build a full-on rocket. So first, to start off, we're going to start off with the engine. We are going to take all these parts, put those aside. Okay, let's get into it. So to make the engine, you're going to need one of these and one of these. By the way, guys, I bought a new tripod for you, so I can finally make videos with my face. I will show you guys what my face looks like one day. Anyway, so this is an engine. Yeah, it looks like it's unrocket probably, but yeah. Next, to start, we're gonna put this to the side. Right here. Now I know this is a little bit. Anyway, we're gonna use one of these parts. I believe it's called a 2x2 round with a hole in it. 2x2 round plate. Then we're gonna connect this to a brick, 2x2 round brick. Now you can make this as tall as you want. I chose 6 bricks and then one plate. You don't need to add the plate necessarily. I just added because I have a second stage build as well. Now if you have any nose cones or anything, I suggest you to top this off because I have I have a few nose cones. I have two actually. Focus. I have two nose cone pieces, but those are just I use them in a build. Anyway, now you're gonna want to connect this to the bottom of this. After they are connected, you're gonna finally build the first stage. Then we're gonna wait guys, one sec. Let me bring in the second stage parts. Slide this out. Give me a second, let me get the parts. Okay guys? Here we go guys. Okay, so the second stage will consist of 4. Make this a good ratio, however you like. If you're making yours small, I suggest something like 2 or 3 or like the plates and stuff. Try that. Anyway, after adding as many as you wanted, I added 4. If you have enough parts, please say it in the comments. Anyway, so then you're gonna want to add this cone type piece here in black. Number 1 round brick. So yeah, there. Now let me get parts for the capsule. That I'm gonna need to skip again. Now just wait guys, I'm coming. Okay guys, I'm back. Now I don't have all these pieces in the right colors, that's why some of them are red here. Now this one is supposed to be like this. Let's get started because this is the goal. Anyway, so we're gonna take one of these. Well, not one, this is 2 pieces, but I can't separate them because like they're like almost glued together, feels like. So you're gonna take a rounded slope and connect that to that. You're gonna need to make black ones as well. I just chose black because I have black, plus it's a really good color. Wait, why am I still? Okay, so we make all of these connected, and then I have these black round plates that you're gonna want to put. Focus. Straight into the camera. There. You're gonna put it in. Oh no. Okay. Put it in here. You're gonna do that for like all of them, except for the white one, because the white one doesn't have any. So that is like a little hole for them. These also allow you to open them, but that's only for emergency cases only. Now, after you have made after you've made 3 black ones and 1 white one, I'm gonna put these aside. This is a side build. That side. Now you're gonna want to start with one of these. Now, if you have one white or something, yeah, good. That's good. Use that. Now I have a black one, but that one's top stud. No, not us. This is the top stud. That one is like destroyed. So instead of that, I use this one. This is the closest. Add a white one on the bottom or whatever you think will suit your capsule. Then add one of these. 1x1 brick with one of these. I don't think these are snot. I don't think these are snot parts, but that's all we got. Now after that you add this. This is like a docking port so the other capsules can dock. Now in my next video I will show you some more, but okay. Anyway, now you see this white one stud sticking out here. That's where this one will be connected on that side, the white one. And then we're gonna take the black ones. The black ones will be connected on all sides. It doesn't matter what order. Just remember to put the white one on the side that the stud is facing. I use a lot of part 6. Now I have a bigger spaceship I want to show you guys, but we'll do that later. Anyway, you're gonna want to fold these up. These are really tight. It's much harder than you guys think. Anyway, after folding them up, this one's a little bit lower, so now after that, you're gonna want to take your second stage and you're gonna want to take your second stage and wait 1 second, guys. Don't worry about that, guys. I was just turning on some lights so it looks a little bit better. Anyway, we also want to take the first stage we built and connect all this on top. Now I didn't have the parts. But I didn't have the parts to make like some kind of fairing base around here, so I just made it like this. And after that, this launch site and these base plates I have are almost fully custom. This launch site, I think you have real parts like this, but I still pre-ordered them. And this one is fully custom. Yeah. Now, if you guys want to see how to build this launch pad, that's for the next video. So please remember to like and subscribe if you want to see this. But yeah, it's your boy Astro. Wait, before I say bye, guys, remember to watch my other videos I make. Anyway, see you guys in the next one. Bye.